guys, we wanna welcome for this another episode of Tori Updates. Understand? Hey, we never sing song. Tori de time short oh, Tori de oh, time short oh. Gang. So guys, something don't happen, something they up, I swear to God, something they up. I don't know if I don't hear the news, but listen. What ground, Bobby? Now I chop. Hey, Bobby, now I chop. So, petit pays, two you do, I mean, no fine. Honestly, for me, petit pays, there's a picture of petit pays. We get him on top bed.
Not two
get him, but they say that 3 is one day. So, petit pays, I don't know what I need. No, me post the picture, but the picture be circulating on social media. If they will get him, he kiss, he goes to one so no. Coronavirus. So he hold the girl, the kiss him, then the girl take the pictures. So that picture don't circulate. I see him online yesterday on 237 Showbiz, and they want to I see him for WhatsApp. You know, Cameroon, they love to share negative things. In Cameroon, they love negativity more than positivity.
Especially coming from someone of his standard. If
person be post a result or some achievement or innovation, they don't forever share them. So
no man, they will even see us.
Well, if I post anything now, you will see 2 or 3 shares. They don't go ever even the video, so they don't share them. We don't the best they subscribe, they don't go subscribe. We best they want to share our comedy skits, they don't share them. But tomorrow if you hear that the green don't sleep on gay or the green don't carry HIV.
You see thousands of shares.
When I go share them, then take a referral for me say he claim say he help people. He claim say he claim say he energize people. But see to the do am. But tell you do that to the energize people, you know be share them. Wait, what is really wrong with Cameroonians? If you share good things the way they share bad things, you go die.
Ask them.
So suddenly, your status now is open to post pictures of people's bad things. But when you see people good things, your status is blocked to post people's things.
Now wait to really make up. That man will take that. And I say he get accident, he get crushes and all of that.
Petit pays, on problem I say, you know, say Cameroonians they like propaganda and criminalism and all those stuff. Okay, you get accident for the past almost a year plus. You get accident, you work at your crutches. But yet, you don't talk bed with 2 get them.
I said the one
you handle 2 get them. I never feel handle 1
get. Shepherd, no.
So you do food and you walk by the real food, the function.
The function outside.
Hey. Petit pays, I need the lion of Africa through ground. Your food, your 2 legs are not working, but your middle leg is on fire.
But each move some clip no. This one when they talk about Epoca, what an Epoca with it. I see for the but at least he was like he the worker no.
So we'll post the pictures. Please put the pictures up. Let's see. Wow, and the picture and that.
And then you know the funniest thing with that.
See the way the kiss gave it. Oh,
now the girl even take the picture. Oh, now say now the girl they release a picture on her house. You can't understand
why. But why he leave and make the girl snap the picture?
The thing I say, woman this way, woman they always do. When woman talk say you want to do it, you know when you will notice that. I don't check and I say, oh,
but
I say the movie actually well and so you know when notice.
Nah lie.
I did tell you.
No be me. No be me.
I did check say, oh, I say the girl they don't take the picture now and then they need something from me. Yeah, that
kind
of thing. They send her to blackmail.
No. Petit baby don't explain the pictures. He do some video post them. He explains what happened for the pictures. But no enough explanation, no day if he get for what happened because now you don't really instigate a lot of bad emotions, intention for picking them. Now everybody is online. Now what's now say school no day again, all picking the online.
Social media.
The social media now they browse. Now they will see that canteen them say, oh, if Petit if they follow 2 get them. Me
what
too.
About me? I even follow 5.
Why not?
I'm still young.
If young girls so small girl way it be like Petit Pays grand picking, they will on top bed. Me. Then I'm say my boyfriend is okay now. Man go the man even go say, or you don't let have a kiss now do take pictures. Why will you kiss take pictures?
But wait, that man never married.
Whether he is married or not, it's bad to be on the bed with such teenagers. The one thing I say when the pictures came out, they accuse you say it is HIV. We don't know if that's true because the world is evil.
I swear.
Girls, be careful. They don't accuse you. I saw the post they did. They say Petit Pays get HIV, so you can spread and forget them. I read that article. Listen, it might be true, it might not be true.
Yes.
But you have to be careful with all these people up there. So one day, so when you carry coronavirus, you say no, I know die me one.
Yeah, I want to share. Yes, I see that video now.
Yes. He go to put on elevator them, touch them, place, go touch them. You see, the one is evil.
Just wickedness.
Someone didn't pay you self, make sex to you, so you can carry the HIV. Yeah? So girls out there, don't be too desperate. So we'll leave a minute play that video. We yet to Petit Baby for talk. Yes, we'll come back after the baby. Before we go, I beg, subscribe. I beg, I don't know if they say they will.
When the bell, no, I beg, click that bell. Someone will disturb you with link again. When we just upload, it will just come for you automatically.
Yes. Click that link. Okay. Do am. Now, move watch you as you do am. Click the subscribe.
They don't want.
Voila. Click, ring the bell now. Ring the bell.
I don't hear.
Very good. I hear them. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, move here to Petit Baby for talk. They will be right back. No shake.
Salut les amis, salut la famille, je suis Rabbi et Fata. En ce qui concerne les photos que vous voyez à travers le monde, qui font le buzz, si on peut le dire, il s'agit d'un tournage de clip. Pendant qu'on tournait le clip, certains caméramans, certains ingénieurs ont eu le plaisir d'envoyer des photos. Et ça crée une autre histoire. Et les malsains en font leur travail. Bravo. Dites n'importe quoi sur le grand maître. Je suis né comme ça. Ça, c'est du petit pays. D'autre part, la plupart des gens qui viennent me voir à l'hôtel, c'est des fans. C'est des jeunes gens, des fans, des fans. Il n'y a rien entre ces jeunes gens. Il n'y a rien entre eux et moi, entre elle et moi. Ce n'est que des fans qui adorent ma musique et qui aiment bien l'homme. Alors, j'entends qu'il y a des séparations de couples entre les uns et les autres. Je vous demande de vous remettre ensemble, qu'il n'y a aucun rapport d'affection entre mes fans et moi. Il n'y a que de l'amour parce qu'ils adorent leur patron, leur grand maître, leur messie de la musique africaine. Donc, ce n'est que ça. Et je vous promets que le clip qui arrive dans les photos que vous voyez à travers les réseaux sera un clip mortel. Il va créer alors le vrai buzz. Préparez-vous alors à dire beaucoup de choses, à parler de sida, à parler d'Ebola, à parler de Corona et tout. Tout ça, c'est petit pays. J'accepte, je supporte. Je vous aime, je vous adore. Yeah, soyez bénis.
Okay, welcome back, guys. As soon as I don't hear for this one, I think that way petit talk. For me, I don't really know, but for una, I don't know if it makes sense or now. But I beg, when I feel leave una comments, anything when I think about that for the comment section, so that we feel know more. And for our young girls out there, I tell una beg, we'll be very, very careful. When I don't see that video, when I check say maybe after that, so that's some pleasure. That there is nothing. Maybe some guys and they will talk say no, na style, just for me to take picture. You know, now your life it use them. Now your life it use them. When he use them, so he get a family, he get a life somewhere, he go live them. I beg, we'll be very, very careful.
Yeah. That's good, Sonita. Thank you very much. Because tomorrow, that picture is circulated outside. Mango Siam. What image? Those girls, they return their image. You don't go marry my brother.
Yes.
You don't go sleep petit pays.
Now what into that
Bobby? Have you imagine how you go and Bobby the track and sock him?
Now what into that?
You like Bobby?
Now if you Bobby na mature.
Yes, now you know. So because as a young girl, wait, except I said that girl will not be get future or wait. Because normally, if you want to do something like that, you give for notice say no. People that you watch, and you are taking that picture. It's for the world because social media. You go live for some people get fans even for abroad.
Yes.
So we need to know the picture to go reach. And you know you are still growing, but you either way achieve.
You don't achieve.
So if you don't make a so now at your own detriment. So if you decide to make it for your own detriment, but you don't insist spoil all thing because even your own image don't be tarnished. No?
Yeah.
I don't be sure in our pretty face in our picture because for me, I said that again and take the picture.
But he leave the game and take the picture now.
That kind of you go
to
take picture.
Someone if the kiss so then they look the camera.
Petit Pays even overlight that kind. You know, so sometime ago he posted his naked picture.
I saw it.
So if he overlight that kind of thing, he likes such.
To him.
That man, I don't know what he's teaching the young generation. I don't talk say no. This country, we're trying to see. If you're out there and you're a mature adult, please know the way you live your life. Because say we don't spoil, yes, but we know if we continue to spoil, the beginning they come up. Because they will come up now, it will burst. Some of you go to your ancestral graves so the city will happen. You will cry.
I swear.
You will regret it going back and never do the thing. Honestly, me when I did for corner my small younger ones or small boy them, I behave like saints. If you miss it, you give pretend.
Yes.
So they can emulate the good. Not going to teach beginning bad thing.
I tell you, some of the young girls, some celebrities, they always just take the opportunity to say, I'm a celebrity. If I talk to this small girl, it will just fall because I'm a celebrity. But young girls will not be fooled with that.
Yeah.
Will not be fooled with that. Whether you be celebrity or not, me and dignity be the first thing.
Yeah.
Let it count very
Dignity.
well. We'll put that one for fun. We'll
So,
forget about celebrity and all that.
Guys, we will like to hear our own opinion for comment section. I beg. We will talk all the things also. Put your account, watch the video. They will try to read comments for see if they get more updates. So if you get any more updates, just drop a comment. And if you get any news where you want them to talk about them, you drop a comment section. We will analyze them. We will talk about them. We will talk about theory updates. We will update you for the way they happen. You understand? Don't forget to send your relationship problem. Maybe you have a patron get problem, you have a auntie get problem, you have a woman get problem. Send the problem for this number on your screen now. So just send up a message or for WhatsApp. We will read them here. We will give you quality answers for all your relationship problems. Maybe a business problem, now financial problem. In fact, you want to do your business plan, any problem you get them. Send them for that place. We will read them here. We will give you quality answer. We will forward them for relationship experts. We will give you the answer. We will read them for now. Alright guys, thank you very much. We'll sing our song before I go. Toridale,
time short,
Toridale,
time short.
If you not do, they go complain. And if you still do, they go complain.
Na life, oh, na life, Papa. Thank you very much for watching.